DR Barton's with us. You know, I got to tell you, DR, this reminds me, when a stock goes up like that and it's not making any money, I got to tell you, it reminds me of the dot-com boom, which then turned into a bust. What's your comment?
Yeah, it is a lot like that time in the money-raising world, Stuart. 486 IPOs back in 1999, as you mentioned. And I think there's a lot going on here. Susan mentioned all the money that's on the sideline, $2 trillion more in savings accounts today than there was in February because of all the stimulus, all the monetary and fiscal stimulus that's being pumped in. So yes, this is a bit like that, but I think this one has some staying power. I do have one comment for viewers, though. If you love any of these, if you love DoorDash, if you love Airbnb coming out, Wish is going to be coming out later. We almost always, it's a 90% chance that you're going to get to buy them at a lower price a few days or a few months after the IPO date. So don't get caught up in the hype. Look for the low and buy on the next move up.
All right, before we close, you're still looking for a strong rally in the stock market in 2021, yes?
Absolutely, Stuart. You know, we had a 10% up month in November, as you've already been talking about on the show earlier this month. And here's the thing that we look back for 60 years of data. If we look back for 60 years of data, Stuart, we see there's only been 12 other months that have gone up 10%. 6 months later, the market is up on 85% of those. It's up 10 out of 12. And when we see that, it's up over 10% coming on. So that big month in November is not something to worry about. Instead, we find that those big months tend to be the start of a next up leg. And I think that's exactly what we're going to see here.
Well, DR's been data mining, and it shows him a rally next year, and we'd like to see that. DR, thanks for being with us. See you again soon.